friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel on Strawberry Report. So in my last video I explained about what is create operation. So most of them had doubt in the basic, like what is HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and they asked me to explain from the scratch. So I'm going in this video, and I plan to take a series like I'm going to explain what is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and database connectivity, MySQL. So all those things from scratch. In this video, I'm going to explain so how we will be using it and what is what. So this is completely for beginners. And one more thing, I plan to take this video in two different languages. So one is English and other is Tamil. Okay, so let me explain what is what. So I hope everyone can able to see my screen. So let me explain. So consider this is a web page. Okay, web page is nothing but the thing which you are saying, right? If I go to any site, let's go to. So you can able to see all the images like phones, electronics, fashions, TV application, appliances. So all those things with an image. If I click on it, it is going to another redirecting to other page where you can see images list and the phone list. So if I click on a particular phone list, I'm going to take another page. So these are built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So all those things. So I'm going to explain how it works. Fine. Okay, right now, right? Okay, so here the in a website there will be any header. Okay, so that is called as head tag. Okay, let me create a my site, my website. Okay, and one more thing, this is the second tag, second head tag. Okay, here I'm going to include okay, and one more thing, I'm going to add an image over here. Okay, I'm going to add image, just don't consider that image. Okay, so this is a tag where you can this is a head tag and this is also second head tag. Okay, this can be created using h1 tag and this too can be created using h2 tag. So these are the tags which we'll be using in HTML. So if you want to add an image, then it will be like image tag. Okay, so these are all nothing but how the website should be looked like, what and all the data you need to add into the image, add into the website. For in case consider a Flipkart website. So what does a Flipkart does? It just sells the product. Okay, different products, different with different categories. So first they need to mention what and all that categories, and each category should have many products, and each product should have listed out what and all the details which have. So all are designed using the tags. Okay, so these are the basic HTML thing. Okay, so I'm explaining for just basic one. What is CSS? CSS is nothing but cascading style sheet. It's a designing part of the website. Okay, like if you want to add this will be like header, right? For the header, how it should need to look like. For example, my new website is looking like this, right? We can change the font of the that hashtag, and we can change the color of the hashtag. We can add a background color of it. So all these things will be designed by CSS. So I'm mentioning design. Okay, this is CSS. CSS, don't consider the writings. This will be like HTML. Okay, so the next will be JavaScript. Okay, what is a JavaScript? why we are using the JavaScript and web page. Okay, so JavaScript is nothing but what are all the action you perform. Like for example, if you consider, if you clicking on a button, okay, if you are clicking on a button in the website, so that button should be redirecting to other page. Okay, let's consider an example. Flipkart has many products. Okay, if you clicking on that product, you can able to see, and you are going to redirecting to the product description. Same like this, you can, if you are clicking on, you can able to see the add to cart option. If you clicking on it, the product gets added to the other page, which is added to cart. Okay, so all these things are done using JavaScript. Okay, so that is called JavaScript. We have many, we can create many functions, not only redirecting page, we can do many functions. Going through this series, I will be explaining each and everything. Okay, so all those things. What is PHP? Okay, what is PHP? So why we are using PHP in our website? PHP is nothing but that in the website you are entering the data, right? Okay, those data should be gone to the database. Okay, so for that we need a scripting. So that script we are that is called as PHP script, PHP programming. So using the PHP code, in the last video I explained how to add data in the website, and that data is been going through the database. So we are using so this is where we are using the PHP code. Okay, more upon I will be explaining what is PHP and what is our PHP. We have the PHP concept. I will be explaining all those things. And one more thing, the last one is the database, where all the data is been going to store. Okay, this is database DB. Okay, so these are the main things you need to design, you need for a proper website building. Okay, on the upcoming series I'm going to explain each and every topic separately. So